Welcome back to Pump Info News. Here where will they bring you ogbonge news as it dey happen. They say that as the fight continue for inside Biafra government in exile. They say Nigeria army don't go bring a British man we go come train Nigeria army so that they go fit enter inside Biafra land, come start wetin they do through Ojukwu time. You don't read though. My people, as they watch this one, they say that as it stand right now, the information what they get today now be say all those people where they wear red cap, they say that the unknown government go visit them today, carry their motor, put on fire, katam. My people, you don't read though. I go play many videos for you here today. May you watch as it they go for this last one. As they watch them, make sure say they share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it they happen. Biafra Liberation Army commander, whether they call Holy Ghost, don't come outside, come talk many things where I go play for this video. He said that now they are now that Ngozora Beze is now recruiting the people where they call Ebubago into the struggle to come fight them. Don't be smart, see this matter, get end today. I bet Mukuna they share the video so that other people will get the information. Now let me play you this video, may you watch.
Being able to bring together two critical components to fight against the violent extremism here in the northeast of Nigeria. We've got the advanced technological equipment, which is absolutely necessary, but you can only use that when you've got some high quality soldiers that have got the real training to use that equipment. So it's been a real privilege for the UK to be based here and for the British Army to work with some really courageous, some really talented soldiers, both from Nigeria and from the MNJTF here from Cameroon, to give them the training and the experience so they can use the equipment that we're providing.
Okay, my wonderful people, watch this video and also hear waiting the Biafra Liberation Army commander Holy Ghost talk will it happen for inside the Biafra struggle right now. Stay tuned.
Get there. Okay, I am going to tell you something. Dr. Ngozi, please, ma, with due respect, it is not an insult. I want to ask you a question. You have meeting with General, our General, the Commander-in-Chief of all forces in Biafra government, in Biafra nation, General Butuzo. What did he tell you? You have meeting with person in charge of all forces in United States of Biafra, General Butuzo. What did he tell you? Instead of you to go and do exactly what he told you, you carve out his voice. You carve out his voice in the meeting where you and other cabinet were there. You carve out General Butuzo's voice and post because she did not agree with you. Because he did not agree with you, you carve out the voice and post. What was General Butuzo saying? He said, Madam, whatever change you want to make in your government is not his problem. But the problem is that place. We have the finance that Oga leave. That from that finance, everything we need in the ground will reach us. Don't tamper with that one. That was one. Excuse me. Don't tamper with that one, please. There we have somebody that knows us and we know that person. We trust that person. We have been working with that person by name Success. Don't tamper with him. You know much about us. There are many unfinished business we still have with him. Don't tamper with Success. Don't tamper with the account Oga create. Don't tamper with finance. These are the three things we tell you. General Butuzo tell you. Because this is the strength of this army. This is the power of the men on ground. If you tamper with these three things, you are trying to weak us. And he said, madam, anything you want to do is none of his business. But the only plea he asking you, you see success, don't go close there. Success know a lot about us. And the instruction given to success by Oga was, everything about men on ground should remain with him and Oga only. No other third party. Finance and the account then create for this men on ground. That was the only thing my general said. Instead of you to abide on that, you carve out general voice, posted, begin to catch general. Now find another man to replace general. You cannot replace him. All your information, even the one you call, you don't even know that he's under me. The one you are trying to deceive, giving promises that you will make him general. It cannot be. Do you think general is by size? Do you think general is by size? If you were not called, you can't carry this load. If you were not chosen, you can't withstand the danger. So you have failed on arrival. You have failed on arrival. I swear to God. And now you are trying to form another soldier. At the end, you combine them with the Bubaku, they will still come here and die. That one is not, we know they shake for that one. You are trying to form another power, another force. Do you think we were formed? We were choosing. There is a difference between forming and choosing. We were not formed. We were choosing. The spirit of Biafra find us worry and send us back to a living being to complete what we have started. So therefore, we are here to finish what we started. You don't know that? All your plan, they us here. Form. Now, instead of you to do that, those three things, my general point, those three things is what you target. It's what you target. You now bring somebody say solo. Who be solo? To those of you Biafran who doesn't know what is going on, why my general say these three things should not be tampered with? Because these are the men we trusted. These are the men that took oath, strong oath with us. These are the men we know their details. We know if they fuck up, we know how we go treat them up. And they cannot fuck up. These are the men trusted by our PM. And these men cannot afford to fuck up. And that was why we say, work with these men. If PM need to change things, let him come by himself and do that changing. Especially these three people. Let PM come and do that changing by himself. So that if anything goes wrong, we go know that now he use his hand, do it. Now, for those of you who doesn't know why we give that we say that. Do you know if you bring another person, he will want to come and know how many men are, waiting we get, waiting we no get, what is our strength? And then we don't know anybody. We don't trust anybody. We do not trust anybody. don't trust anybody. You want to come and know details about us, so that tomorrow you go and tell the zoo, then get this, they no get this weapon, they no plenty, they no they no get this, they no get this. Go from here, go from here. You are failed. That is why we don't need any other person again to know anything about us. We don't need anybody again to know anything about us. We told you, there are men that already know details about us. And those details about us should not be in public. Should not be. In fact, if you observe Oga very well, anything concern us, Oga no dey discuss in the public. That is to tell you how secret it was. Oga no dey discuss our matter in public. The meeting where Oga they get. Let me ask a question. If you were so trustful, to Oga, why didn't Oga always allow you to have that meeting? Why Oga no join you for that forum when they get meeting with men on ground? If you were so trustful by Oga, I want the world to know something. You have never for one appeared in that meeting. For once. Please, if I'm lying, come and prove me wrong. I like when I say the fact, somebody prove me wrong. Whosoever that say that Dr. Ngozi have ever one day appear on the media or on the forum where Oga get meeting with men, please come and prove me wrong. She have never one day appeared there. He have never one day appeared there. So therefore, why should you just come and say somebody should include you on the forum where Oga himself, your Oga, our Prime Minister, never included you? And the person say, Madam, with due respect, please, don't be offended. Don't be offended. For that area, leave it for now until Oga come out. You suspend the person. You suspend the person because you are so desperate to know everything about men on ground. You ask for my number. You ask this one number, collect this one number. You call those. I told you that I know they fail to give my number for personal. If you need my number, collect my number. Call me. In your front, I will tell you, go and check your boss. Did I send you voice or did I not send you voice? I said, don't temper with those words my general told you. It's very important. You bring your social dog, known as Adadi Adama, to attack. See, you are not impressing me. I'm not doing to impress. You can't impress anybody. You see this government, now me and you get them. Biafra government, now me and you get them. If you do fuck up, I treat your fuck up. Okay? I am telling you my own face to face. I did not come to look at anybody's face. I come to defend Biafra and get Biafra with my life. I don't care who are you. I fucking care nothing.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't hear them, as it they happen. Now, let us listen to this Akwaraku prophet before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
You will see what she will do. This woman, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, come to move mountain. This woman, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, come to move mountain. She's the one that taking us to our promised land. Our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, knows the reason why he chose that woman to come and stand for us. The woman is doing a great thing. You guys have seen many countries that woman have visited. She has been in Korea, many places. She has been in Washington, with many House of Rep, House of Senate in America. That woman, She's a real woman. She's a true woman that come to deliver Biafrans. Biafran, come and stand with her. She's God sent. Dr. Ngozi Arabeze is God, Chukwu Okike my God of our land, that choose her to come and deliver us. Don't mind all these money mongers, all those people that are using money to buy people that will support them. Dr. Ngozi Arabeze don't know anybody, don't send anybody money to support her, because she's a real woman that come to deliver Biafrans. All these people you see online, they don't mean well for us, Biafrans. Biafran, it's time for us to wake up. It's time for us to wake up. Don't let all these money mongers to deceive us. I know what I'm saying. I'm not just saying it. I know what I'm saying. All these money mongers you see on social media, ranting, making noise, calling her all kinds of names, they don't mean well for us. This woman is God that choose her. Our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa sees something in her. The light is shining in her. That's why he handed over everything to her. Our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is a wise man, and you all knows, before the zoo.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. You don't read though, as I don't hear them. Now let us also show you what happened today. But the video, you guys will take position because of the wahala where these social medias they bring come aside. As they say that the men of unknown government go visit those people where they wear red cap. When I know them now, so let me bring the video for you. May you watch before we go come back. Come continue. Stay tuned.
Open up on the right, yes. And no my road. Open up on the right, no good right, no good right. Open up on the right, no my road. You don't play the show. Yes. You don't play the show. Open up on the right, no my road. This is more.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, please share so that other people go get the information. Don't forget CCD for Pump Info News. Follow our Facebook page so that you no go to miss our update as it go.